Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Gu and Miss Su, chapter 109. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Xiaojin. Right now, since she was in China, she was with a little child. Xiaojin, do you still want to act in a movies? The little kid is asking her, but looking at Xiaojin, she seems to be interested. She was looking at the kid and said, I don't want any more. Oh, so is that the reason? But suddenly the kid said, it's still the same gender movie mistake. Oh, she was pertaining to the news that Xiaojing is watching right now. Li Xijai's interview. Xiaojing suddenly said to the little kid, then I don't want to watch anymore. Su, oh, the kid knows how to tease her. Now, the little kid seems to be interested on teasing Xiaojing. According to the report, the film will be publicly cast in the country. Don't you really want to try it? But Xiaojing is losing her patience and she went to the child. I said no, I think. Not going to back down. The kid said to her, if you don't want to, why don't you pinch my face? I'm still growing and I'll be pinched by you. Oh, this little kid, she was really cute. At this moment, Xiaojing said to her, rest assured, my sister's hands are... Oh, Xiaojing, she really get tricky. Also, the little kid said, I'll give a call to Sister Bo and you can sit down. Little kid right now, she's quiet. Xiaojin, she was calling on the phone. After the 3-year contract with Mika ended, Boy Yising was no longer renewing the contract. She took advantage of the situation to withdraw from the entertainment. And every day, Xiaojing was calling her. Yising, you don't have to be worried about me. He takes good care of me. If it's okay, I'll hang up first, Xiaojing said to her. Finally, the phone is dropped. Yising, Xiaojing, she was always worried about her. Right now, she's out of trance, probably because of what happened in the past. In the past 2 years, Boy Yising found out that she has coronary heart diseases. Lucy she has to make phone call every day to make sure that she is okay. It's just so hard to see her. Xiaojing said to herself, but right now the little kid said, you are sighting, you will lead to bad luck and grow old alone. Little kid said to Xiaojing. Xiaojin, right now, she looks really happy and said, what the feudal superstitions you have at young age. Well, this little kid is really smart. Suddenly, Xiaojin's phone is ringing. Once the payment is received, all the information about Scarlet Lee will be sent to you in schedule. Xiaojin said okay. Oh, right now, she looks really serious. On the other hand, the driver, Miss, and the music studio has arrived. So it turns out, now they went to Anda's studio just to meet the little kid's mother. Oh, Xiaojing. She looks really cool on a hippie outfit. Xiaojin, are you really good at picking people? Hi, didn't go off. Oh, it turns out there's a commotion in the room. Who could it be? The word fear has exploded my breath-in unstable and my lung capacity is not enough. This is not a base shelter. Young one's former. Xia Xiao is now the director and producer in the Anda studio. Xiaojing moved closer to greet its sister Xia. I came to find Sister Langwan. Long time no see, please wait in the pantry next door. Xiaojing said, alright. Right now, they both go inside and walk into the pantry. Now, the kid seems to be quiet. Well, it was really good, or maybe she was really excited to see her mom. Now, since they're entering in the pantry, Xiaojing noticed something. She was still holding the kid's hands. The film Ladies, directed by the famous director Chang Cha, has been released in major theaters. Grand and exquisite dance in the film made Oh, Miss Sue, have you heard Chang'an Rebellion? Judging right now, she's seeing Miss Sue on a live broadcast. Oh, look at her. She looks really gorgeous. Miss Sue on the interview said, of course, I heard. Looking at her face, she became more beautiful. Although right now, Jean, seeing her, she was calling God, of course. She really missed Xiaoshu, but she really won't admit it. I heard from the friends that in the circle that Su Yishi will be engaged to the violinist Mr. Shenya in the spring of the next year. So hearing this right now, Xiaojing, well, maybe she has really some feelings for her. She's holding herself, and now the little kid, in a low voice, they are really weak. Then, Shenya is a canon gray. Oh, right now, this little kid. She was now smiling. Right now, she continued. Well, this kid pays. Who I am. Mother said that Xiong Li Niu had severed the sister's suit with Xiong Li Shan because of Xiong Li Shan attacking her lover. That's why I knew about it. Oh, the little kid knows too much. Very kind to her and did not spread about the rumors. Others are surprised when they know this. Aren't you surprised? The little kid is asking Xiaojing, but right now Xiaojing, of course. She kept herself silent and she was shrugging. Oh, the little kid said. Right now, the little kid seems to be suspicious. You were so attentive when Xiaoshu appeared on the TV just now. Do you think she is pretty? Oh, the kid wants to tease her. Xiaoshu said no. Then you just hate her. I heard that you two have been odds since your debut. Well, this kid, she really wants stuff. She continued to tease Xiaojin. Even less so, right now, Xiaojin. How could I hate her? Oh, right now, she seems to be happy. He said to the little kid that she is so nice. She was smiling at her. Well, Xiaojing right now, she really won't admit. But she said to herself, I am not good anywhere. Well, she really loves Xiaoshu, but right now, she really shy to admit it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.